In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste transpose in Google Sheets. Transposing is a quick way to flip your data so that rows become columns and columns become rows. This is handy when a table was set up horizontally, but you need it vertically, or when you want headers running down the side instead of across the top. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it using Paste Special, and I'll share a few tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your Google Sheet and navigating to the tab that contains the data you want to rotate. Make sure you can see the full block of information you plan to move. It works best with a clean rectangular range and no blank columns or rows cutting through the middle, so you get a neat result after the flip. Next, drag to highlight the cells you want to transpose. Include any headers you want to move with the data. Once it's selected, right-click on the highlighted area to bring up the context menu. Choose Cut. Cutting removes the original and moves it to the new location, which is perfect when you're reorganizing your sheet. If you'd rather keep the original where it is, you can copy instead, but the transpose paste works the same way in either case. Now pick the destination cell where you want the new rotated layout to start. A common choice is cell A1, but you can select any empty starting point. This cell will become the top left corner of the transpose result. Before you paste, make sure there's enough empty space to fit the flipped data. Transposing a 5x3 area will produce a 3x5 area, and anything in the way will be overwritten. When you're ready, right-click on that destination cell. From the menu, hover over Paste Special. You'll see several options designed to control exactly how data is pasted. Click Transposed. Google Sheets will immediately rotate the selection, placing what used to be rows into columns and vice versa. Check your headers and totals to confirm everything landed where you expect. If something looks off, you can undo and try a different starting cell or adjust your selection. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you need to preserve formulas and their logic, review them after transposing to make sure references still make sense. And if you want a transpose view that stays synced with the original, consider using a formula-based approach later. For now, Paste Special is the fastest one-and-done method. That's it. You've successfully used Paste Special to transpose data in Google Sheets.